this week. So just, I'm at school now in our classroom, and it's really weird to be here by myself and looking at your desks and your faces aren't in them. I miss you. I miss you a lot. Um, all right, we're doing volumes of prisms and cylinders. So let's take a look. Volumes is just the BH. Okay, that's it. So that's the formula you need. Again, capital B is the area of the base. Capital B is going to be the area of the base, which will change based on what the base is. Okay, so everything we did in 11.4 or chapter 11 is very important to this chapter because you have to be able to find the area of polygons. Okay, so I have a triangular prism here, right? This is what we're talking about. And we want to find the volume of this. So to do that, I have to find the area of the base. Now the area of that base is a triangle. Right here is the triangle. All right, how do you find the area of a triangle? So let's just talk about the area of the base real quickly. The area of this triangle is 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. So this little b isn't the same as the capital B. So the base of the triangular bottom is 10. The height is 12. So the area of the base of the prism that we're looking at is 60. Now, the height of this thing is not the height of the triangle. The height is actually what it would be if it sat on its base. So how tall is this now? How tall is he? Well, if you look at your picture, that side length is 25. So if I change him from laying down to standing up, he's 25. So the volume of this shape would be 60 times 25, which happens to be 1,500 centimeters cubed. Volume is in cubes. All right, here's another one, okay, another triangular prism. I don't have a prism that looks like this. This is a right triangular prism. This one is not. The one that I'm holding, this is an equilateral triangle, so an equilateral triangular prism. I don't have one that looks like this, but it's done the same way. So we know that the volume, again, is base times height. Well, the area of the base, capital B is the area of the base. It's still a triangle, so the area is still 1/2 base times height. Because it's a right triangle, 18 can be our height, and A is our base. So how are we going to find the base? How are we going to do that? Anybody know? Okay, well, 1/2 the base times the height. We're going to get 24 here. How did I get that? Well, I divided this by 6 and got 3. I divided this by 6 and got 5. So by a Pythagorean triple, this would be 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Or you can use the Pythagorean theorem. I used a Pythagorean triple. So 1/2 the base, 24, times the height, 18, is 216. Again, when we stand this thing up, its height is 15. So the volume is 216 times 15, which is, C, 3240 inches cubed. Okay, the volume of a cylinder. Okay, you are going to want to, I think you're going to want to use this formula right here, the pi r squared h. It's the same formula. Pi r squared is the area of the base. The base of one of these guys is a circle. See? Circle. How do you find the area of a circle? Pi r squared. So the area of the base is pi r squared, and then the height of the thing is how tall it is. You can, stick the pencil right up in there, that yellow pencil, right? Let me get it There you go, you can see it against the whiteboard, right? That yellow pencil is the height, so we're going to look for the height of that yellow pencil. All right, so very simple. Pi r squared h, right? And when I look at this, I know that r is 1.8. I know that h is 1.8, so I'm just going to plug in pi times 1.8 squared times 1.8. So when I multiply 1.8 squared times 1.8, I got 5.832 pi. 5.832 pi. And these would be centimeters cubed because volume is in cube. Okay, here's another cylinder. So let's try that. Pause it, try it yourself before you come back. Pi r squared h. Okay, so r is 8. The height is, I put 15. I'm not really sure why I did that. Should just be 5. Let's put 15 instead of 5. Don't know why. Okay, I did it right here. But pi equals 8 squared times 5. So 64 times 5 is 320 pi centimeters cubed. I love that answer, but it's multiple choice. So go ahead and put in your calculator. 1005.3 centimeters cubed. That's it. That's it. Sometimes, though, you may have a pentagonal prism. How do you find the area of the base? 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. That's all from chapter 11. You need to know how to find the area of bases. Okay? If you don't remember how to do that, we spent a lot of time on 11, I think it was 11.6. There was a worksheet for you to do. And the reason why I did that is so that when you face something like this, you might get there. Okay? So check that out. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. I love you guys, and I really am missing your faces as I sit in this classroom. I love you.